can breathe again. Lost in the waves, I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain, sipping your sunshine, come take me away in the water.
So we just hired a car and we're taking it now to a place called Vasiliki. It's towards the south, and then we're going to head up the west coast if we get time. We've already started our journey, got about halfway into the journey and had to turn back because we forgot something and had to go back to the hotel. So but let's see how we get on. So folks, let's show you Vasiliki from what I think is a viewpoint. I'm hoping it is. I'm taking you right to the edge of this cliff. I'm going to stand on a blob of concrete and I'm going to turn you around. Look at that. Isn't that good? What do you think of that, Sandra? Cool, isn't it? So here's another pit stop before we get down to Port Katsiki beach, and this has a panoramic view, so let's go and take a look, see what it's like. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So, just about there is what I think is Port Katsiki, and that's where we're heading for now. Well, good morning folks. Today is Sunday and we're going to be going to a place called Sivota. Hopefully get one or two little drone shots over there, perhaps some other beaches as well, and then we're just going to see and wing it and see how well we do. But yeah, we've got how many days left, Sandra?
I think it's 3.
About 3 days left, yeah. But we're enjoying this. It's very good. We love it here. So let's see what today brings. Onwards, let's go.
Looking forward to it.
So we're up high in the mountains now. Okay, just having a pit stop now. We've stopped at this place. Some magnificent views out there. And just as I film, you've got all traffic coming. But here we go. This is where we are though. Lovely little place. Very traditional. So we just stopped by for a coffee, and I think Sandra's gone for a breakfast tea. Onwards! So this is Kathisma beach, and as I say, it's just cost us, we got free parking as long as we paid for a sunbed with an umbrella, and that was €20. I think they're also going to be coming around with a menu as well, so it means just buying something to eat. But what I can't get over is how turquoise. I've heard so many people say how turquoise the sea is, and it is, and just as I say that, the sun goes behind a cloud, so I'm going to just wait for a minute and turn it back on again. So there you go, the sun's back out again, and it makes all the difference. I mean, the sea is turquoise, but it's even more so when the sun's out. It really is. This is brilliant. I've never seen anything like this before, but it's a bit difficult to swim in. So let's take a closer look. Now this thing isn't waterproof, so I just hope I don't get wet. Wow. Whoa. See how? That was a big one. Whoa. I'm out of here. Oh, how embarrassing. I just looked a complete and utter plonker in that sea because I didn't want my Osmo to get wet. And it's falling about all over the place. Yeah, so we've just ordered like a club pita sandwich with chicken. Looks gorgeous. Kathisma Beach. What do you reckon, Sandra?
It's lovely. If you're okay with lots of waves, big waves, because it'd knock you over. But it's gorgeous.
Yeah. Well, I went walking down the beach because it seemed a bit calmer the further you walk down. And I got down there and it was just as bad. I thought I'd brave it. And I went into the waves and I got rolled over like anything, and it was embarrassing. And this little boy came up to me and said, "Would you like a hand up, sir?" No, I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm just admiring the view. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, and I guess on another day when it's not so, the waves aren't so rough.
Oh yeah.
It would be more, pleasurable to go to, but it's a hot one today, very, very hot. So we had a bit of an incident coming down here where a car came right out of his lane and just missed us. So fingers crossed, we get a safe journey on the way back. So onwards.
They're not uppy fingers, by the way.
Uppy fingers? What are uppy fingers?
That's fingers crossed, not uppy fingers.
Oh, not those fingers.